Going on with y'all, man? Like I was saying, past couple videos, man. Got in QA1. It's supposed to be getting installed today. You know what I'm saying? I had dropped it off at the shop. Waiting on the dude now. I'm impatient. Waiting on the dude now to hit me, man. Tell me she finished that she ready. You know what I'm saying? He can squat it in the back. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get with y'all, let y'all know, especially the one that were asking. You know what I'm saying? That's how I really on here. More people hate it. More people got this and that. Say I'm not done with the build. I'm not done with the build by a long shot. I got a lot of other stuff I need to do to the build. You know what I'm saying? For our interior, for our front suspension, I'm doing back suspension now. I'm piecing it together. Not that I need to explain myself, cause y'all gonna see how that build come together. It already look like it look now, but we got a long way to go. Y'all just stick with me on that way out the road, man. Stick with me, man. Watch what we do. We going up on the channel, man, the whole time. Y'all gonna see that SS come to my view. You know what I'm saying? My point of view. You know what I'm saying? What I want to do. But yeah, man, just stick with me, and we gonna go up. I'm gonna give y'all the finishing touches, man, the finishing result when I get it back. I'm waiting on him to call me right now, but I can't wait. Oh, going on, man. As y'all can see, man, we in that thing today, baby. We finally got her back. She got the QA suspension sitting on. She feeling real better. The suspension is better. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give Cole a shout out. Cole back there. See Cole back there in the Charger, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. See what's going on. We out here, man. God, this thing feel better, man. Hey, QA, hey man, QA. If you gonna go with any suspension, I'm telling you, QA1 is the way to go. It feel like a whole new ride, man. It ain't no flex. It ain't no crazy different looking going on. The ride feels so much better, so looser. Like it just, I'm telling you, if you got the money, man, or you in the middle of your bill, or you want to invest, this is the way to go. Y'all, and then I apologize for y'all that can't hear me, man. Nobody know what's going on. I know y'all hear her, man. She get a little loud sometimes, man. But yeah, I got cousin back there in the cutting, man. He back there, you feel him back there. I meant my bad, y'all. My cousin Wicked Cutlass in my Charger. You know what I'm saying? The wide body thing, y'all see I'm on, man. Yeah, man. I've been drove her long enough, man. I'm gonna take her back to the garage, gonna lock her up, give her a good little wash. You know, we be back tomorrow. Ride her some more. But I'm telling you, if you thinking about it, do it. QA1, way to go. Yep. GP the SS up. Man, show y'all what's going on. Got them QAs on there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't dropped the bit down too low. She got it right there. Good little suspension. She ain't dropped too low in the back, but it dropped though. So I see what's going on, man. QA1. Good little look. Good little drop down. QA1 do what they do, man. All the time. Squat a little bit. Yeah, man. QA1, man. QA, give you what you want. Give you that look.